is a presentation of an overview of the Monticello Technology Plan. About Monticello. Monticello Central School District is a public school district in a low-income area. Technology is available at every level of the district from elementary to high school. For example, 4th and 5th grades in the Kenneth L. Rutherford Elementary School all have one-to-one iPads for the students and for the teachers. Throughout the building, there also can be found iPads in the classroom, Kindles, and laptops. Each classroom has a smartboard. The teachers do receive assistance with technology from the technology liaison, who is available for appointments 2 days a week in the building. Some teachers in the building use the technology in their classroom during station rotations, while other teachers have gotten to use the technology to flip their classrooms. Monticello Central School District believes technology is a beneficial addition to curriculum. We believe that creating digitally literate, life-ready students is our responsibility as educators. We feel that the ability to function in a digital world will help our students feel prepared to enter the world and contribute to society. Realistic classroom expectations and practices will help facilitate a transition from the classroom to the real world. Our goal is to create students who are able to go out into the real world and function. Our vision statement is that Monticello is committed to accomplishing its mission to create digitally literate, life-ready students. In order to achieve this mission, we feel the following are necessary. For example, a learning environment that would have technology tools to appeal to different learning styles, the ability to develop and demonstrate mastery of content by utilizing available technology, students who demonstrate the characteristics of responsible digital global citizens, and staff members who utilize technology to help students demonstrate a deeper understanding of the curriculum. A needs assessment was conducted in a 4th grade classroom in Kenneth L. Rutherford Elementary School. Upon completion of this needs assessment, the following recommendations were made. For further improvement, professional development for the teachers is necessary. The teachers were given iPads without receiving any professional development to aid in incorporating the technology into their classrooms. The interview conducted with one of the teachers proved that the teachers are integrating new technology trends in their classrooms with minimal support. Many teachers are interested in obtaining professional development in order to add more to their certain programs like IXL or basic center rotations. The findings from the needs assessment are that the technology availability is above average. There is a wide array of technology available in the building. The technology use in the classrooms is average, since many teachers do use the smartboard, but for varying levels of ability, some teachers create more intricate presentations while others use it basically as a PowerPoint tool. And the professional development offered was poor. Teachers are expected to integrate technology effectively with little professional development. Here are more details on the technology plan. This technology plan contains 2 key components: teacher training and student use. The teachers need proper professional development in incorporating technology into the curriculum. In order to do this, they should also receive proper training in using the technology itself. Teachers should also be given guidelines how to bring the technology into the curriculum in a productive manner. Student use refers to the fact that students require proper training in using technology. We cannot assume that every student knows how to use a device like an iPad. Students should also be given guidelines on how they are expected to treat the technology like an acceptable use program. Students should also be actively involved in their learning and maintain proper digital citizenship. A couple of goals in order to meet teacher training, part of the key component, is to plan and implement professional development centered around utilization of the technology, and to provide teachers with guidelines centered around infusing technology with current instructional initiatives. For student usage, the goals are that students will be provided training on how to utilize the technology to its fullest potential, and students will be offered digital citizenship courses and be responsible for completing an internet safety program. Here are some activities that can be set in place in order to meet the goal for implementing professional development around utilization for the technology, such as providing online and in-person training and contracting in-house tech specialists to provide ongoing training. These are activities to support providing teachers with guidelines centered around infusing technology, such as providing training on technology trends like flipped classroom, and drafting a technology usage plan in order to be combined with the current curriculum. This also demonstrates who should be carrying out the activity, when the activity should be taking place, and how the activity will be evaluated. Activities to support student training would be offering students training at the elementary level, which should be carried out by elementary administration. Students can also demonstrate their technology knowledge by collaborating with peers to construct new meaning, where teachers can build this into their unit design. The last goal can be obtained with the activities of drafting and implementing an internet safety program, where students can then complete a reflective writing piece after completion of the program, and develop digital citizenship lessons to be offered at the elementary level, where students will complete an assessment at the end of the unit to evaluate their knowledge of digital citizenship. Prior to completion of grade 4, students should be able to complete a digital citizenship course, conduct a research project culminating in a multimedia presentation, and participate in digital group learning projects with minimal teacher support. The standards to support those student activities are as such and can be obtained by participating in digital group projects. The students are actively involved in their learning. By participating in the digital citizenship course, students will display proper internet usage, and students will conduct interest-based research projects and create multimedia presentations. In order to evaluate student achievement, students will be provided with project guidelines for the group projects conducted in class. The guidelines will be in checklist form so students can self-evaluate their progress. Student self-evaluation is crucial because it's helpful for teachers to see how the students think they are doing. And the teacher can circulate during the group work and conduct live scoring. For the research project, students should be provided with a rubric prior to the start of the project so they are aware of what they're being evaluated on, and they can be provided examples of work at different levels of the rubric. The funding proposal for this technology plan: for federal funding, the following federal grants are available for educator professional development. These federal grants are also centered around bringing technology into the curriculum. For private funding, since much of the professional development needed can be offered in-house, district funds can be used to compensate curriculum and technology specialists through the completion of extra pay sheets. For the private funding, that really refers to the ongoing in-house training. And finally, these are the resources that were used to support this technology plan. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you agree that incorporating technology into our students' everyday lives will help them grow and be life-ready people.